best luxury midsize car for 2025 to 2024 Audi A6. The 2024 Audi A6 has been named the best luxury midsize car for 2025, underscoring its exceptional blend of sophistication, performance, and advanced technology. As a standout model in the luxury sedan segment, the A6 continues to impress with its refined design and cutting-edge features. Refined design and luxurious interior. The 2024 Audi A6 showcases a sleek and elegant design, characterized by its bold single-frame grille, sharp LED headlights, and dynamic body lines. The sedan's aerodynamic profile not only enhances its aesthetic appeal but also contributes to its overall efficiency. Inside, the A6 offers a meticulously crafted cabin with premium materials and advanced technology. Standard features include a 10.1-inch MMI touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, providing intuitive connectivity and a modern user interface. Powerful performance and smooth ride. Under the hood, the 2024 A6 offers a choice of powerful engines designed to deliver a refined driving experience. The base model is equipped with a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine that produces 261 horsepower and 273 lb-ft of torque, ensuring a balance of performance and efficiency. For those seeking even more power, the A6 55 TFSI trim features a 3.0-liter V6 engine with mild hybrid technology, generating 335 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque. Both engines are paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, delivering smooth and responsive performance. Advanced technology and safety features. Audi's commitment to technology and safety is evident in the 2024 A6. Standard safety features include Audi Pre-Sense Basic, Adaptive Cruise Control, and Lane Departure Warning. Higher trims offer additional enhancements such as a 12.3-inch virtual cockpit display, a premium Bang & Olufsen audio system, and advanced driver assistance technologies. These features not only enhance the driving experience but also contribute to a high level of safety and convenience. Conclusion. The 2024 Audi A6 is celebrated as the best luxury midsize car for 2025 due to its refined design, powerful performance, and advanced technology. Its combination of elegance, comfort, and innovation makes it an outstanding choice for drivers seeking a luxurious and well-equipped midsize sedan.